I think in terms of innovation-driven development, China will remain a leader globally. One sees China growing in a robust manner, basically backed by a strong manufacturing sector. And within the manufacturing sector, China is trying to move up the ladder on value addition. We have seen how emerging technologies, including AI, 5G, EV revolution is taking over the Chinese manufacturing sector, and of course China sees a lot of export potential here as well. Globally, we see that you have orders coming to China for all these areas which hold future dynamic demand. I think BRI has been win-win for China and its counterparts, and we saw it in case of Central and South Asia, in case of Africa, that several projects and programs were launched. One can readily see that in those countries where China has BRI investments, and BRI investments have led to improved infrastructure in energy, in road, railways, ports, for example. So in terms of global economic growth, China is trying to work with other peer economies to really keep growth stable, keep growth at a level